Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of failed searching. On Suno app, you will go to settings. Here in this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. You will go to Suno app as you see and you will enter. Here we click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you will turn on your airplane mode. And you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to press the bell icon and subscribe. See you next time.